In this video, you're going to learn how to make a stop motion animation in 60 seconds. You're going to need the Camera app and the Photos app. Start by opening up the Camera app and take a photograph of your object. You're going to take a series of photos, moving your object a very small amount in between each picture. The smaller the movement, the smoother your final film will be. And you need to make sure that you keep your iPad very still while you're taking all your pictures. When you have enough images, go into your Photos app and click on your first picture. You're going to make your animation by taking a screen record as you scroll through all of your images. You can turn on screen record by swiping diagonally in from the top right corner of your screen and selecting the screen record button. On my screen, it's the one that's flashing red. If you don't see this option, you can click the plus button at the top of the screen and add it to your menu. When you're ready to start your animation, click the screen record button and swipe off the menu. Make sure that you're on your first photograph and then put your finger on the bar at the bottom that shows all your photos and scroll slowly from right to left. Your images will move from one to the other and you can record what's on your screen. When you're happy, press the red record button in the top right corner of the screen to save your screen recording. Your screen recording will save as a video into your photos. Open up the Photo app, select your screen recording, and you can use the editing tools to crop your video in the same way as you would a photo. Crop your video so you can only see your moving object on the screen. Then click the video button on the left-hand side of the screen and use the arrows to remove the start and end of your screen recording so you're just left with a video clip of your moving object. When you're happy with your video, press Done, then Save Video to save a final copy of your video in your photos.